Hi everyone, I am Satish and welcome back to In Simple Terms, the place where complicated tech takes a deep breath and becomes simple and sometimes even funny. Today we are talking about something that sounds super scientific, super technical and honestly a little scary at first glance. The large language models. Yes, the things behind ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini and all the AI tools that magically understand what we type. But don't worry, I promise you no math, and I'm keeping that promise. Let me start with a simple question. How does AI understand language? Here is a hint. It does not understand it the way humans do. It does not feel emotions, it does not feel sarcasm, and it definitely doesn't think, I need a coffee before dealing with this message. What it really does is something surprisingly simple. Imagine you have a friend who has read every book ever written, every website, every blog, every social media post, and every comment, even the weird ones. Now imagine that friend trying to guess the next word in any sentence you start. That's basically how LLMs work. Here's the simplest explanation. A large language model is a giant pattern machine. It sees a sentence like, I want to drink a cup of, and based on the millions of sentences it has seen, it predicts the next word. It could be tea, coffee, water. It picks the most likely one. That's it. That's the core. No magic. Just a giant scale pattern prediction. But of course, there's more going on behind the scenes. Let me explain it in story mode. Imagine you're assembling a massive jigsaw puzzle. Not 1,000, not 10,000, but billions of pieces. Each piece is a word, a phrase, a style, a fact, or a writing patterns. LLMs don't memorize the puzzle. They learn how the pieces fit together. So when you ask it a question, it rearranges the puzzle pieces to create the most logical response. Here is another fun analogy. Imagine AI is running a giant autocomplete on steroids. You type a word and instead of predicting your next word, it predicts entire paragraph, pages, ideas, solutions, stories. Same logic, just mega sized. Now let's dig into famous word training. Training an LLM is basically giving it a ridiculous amount of reading homework. You feed it text after text after text, and each time you ask it, what should the next word be? If it gets it wrong, you correct it again and again and again until it becomes frighteningly good at it. It's like teaching a child to speak, except the child has 10 million teachers and it's the entire internet in a week. Now here is the fun part. When you ask AI a question, it's not looking up the answers, it's not searching Google, it's not pulling a saved reply, it's generating a new answer on the spot by predicting one word at a time based on the logic and the pattern it learned. It's improvising, like a stand-up comedian, but hopefully less chaotic. Let me show you the simple logic behind what happens when you ask, explain photosynthesis. The LLM goes, okay, I've seen thousands of explanations of this. What does this explanation usually start with? Plants, sunlight, chlorophyll, energy? So it starts building sentences that follow the same pattern and makes logical sense. It's not thinking, it's predicting. Now address the big question. If it's only predicting the next word, why does it look so smart? Because the pattern it learned are unbelievably huge and unbelievably detailed. It knows how human talks, how humans write, what facts go together, what tone fits which topic, and how to stay consistent over long answers. So the predictions looks like understanding, but it's still prediction. Okay, now a fun example you will love. Ask an LLM, tell me a bedtime story about a potato. No humans would prepare for this, but LLMs go, oh sure, potatoes, story patterns, bedtime tone, let's go. And suddenly you have Mr. Potato and the Magical Night Garden. Completely made up but flowing perfectly because the model has seen every type of story structure ever created. So here's the simple truth. Large language model doesn't learn fact, they learn relationships. They learn patterns, structures, context, and they learn how to use these patterns to create incredibly human-like language. No magic, no soul, no feelings, just logic at an absolutely insane scale. So in simple terms, LLMs don't understand the world, they understand how humans talk about the world. and that is powerful enough to create the illusion of intelligence. I am Satish, and this was how large language model really works. Explained with stories, a little humor, and always in simple terms. Thank you for listening and stay tuned for more. Take care. Thanks for listening to In Simple Terms with Satish. Subscribe, share this with a friend, and join me again as we continue to make the complicated simple. Thank you.